Okay, so this first coat is from Burlington Coat Factory. I purchased it back in August for $25, and it is originally from American Eagle, and it is 100% polyester, and it is super, super, super comfortable, super warm. You can literally wear a tank top, which is what I have under this on, and be completely warm. So I did get it off clearance, but I'm sure you can find this type of coat anywhere. They're usually popular right now. But this is the first coat. Okay, so this puffer coat is by the brand So Skin Studios, Marissa Minakuchi. I got this from Rent the Runway. It is 100% nylon, and I love this design on it. It's different faces and like a stencil art sketch, and it's an orange black, so perfect for the fall, and I love it. Okay, so this coat is also from Rent the Runway. It is by Unreal Fur. It is a size extra large, and the exterior is 100% Moda acrylic. So this is faux fur, and the lining is 97% polyester and 3% elastane. Last coat is by So Skin Studios, Marissa Minakuchi from Rent the Runway. This is in a size large/6, and this is comprised of, let's see what this says, 100% nylon on exterior 1, 100% polyester on exterior 2, and the lining is 100% polyester. So I love this vibrant yellow color. A lot of people don't really like, pops of color like this on coats, but I think it's a beautiful color in the fall and even in the winter. And add it to your collection, and there you go. Alright, y'all, so thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, or subscribe, and let me know what you thought about these jackets. Which one was your favorite? Do you have currently all your winter coats, or are you gearing up for getting some? But just let me know. This channel is about fashion, music, and money. My name is Amber Ashli. Thank you so much for tuning in. It took me almost 20 to 30 minutes to find a spot to record because I was trying to catch the sun, but unfortunately I did not. And it's almost made me kind of sad, but I was able to get like this little background of the leaves, and I'm gonna show the actual up close of the garment and talk about it on the split screen. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you all. I hope you're having a beautiful day. And yeah, that's it. Like, I don't have nothing else to say. I don't know. Alright, so the sun went down, as you can see, but I was able to get a couple of videos of each of the jackets. So I have 4 jackets. This is the first one. This is from Burlington Coat Factory, and then the other 3 are from Rent the Runway, and I'll tell you about those designers as well. So yes, catch you on the flip. It's getting dark. I don't know if you can still see me.